What is up, everyone? How are you guys doing today? I am in a very good mood. When I woke up this morning, I thought whoa. Okay, that was close. When I woke up this morning, I pictured my day going something like this. Wake up, 6 a.m., go to livestock, stand in line, 7 a.m., stand in line, 8 a.m. stand in line, all the way up until 11 a.m. where I'd still be standing in line. I'd finally get in the store, I'd walk out with a pair of shoes, and I'd be happy. Not the worst morning. I just hate the whole standing in line part. What actually happened was like a million times better. The Yeezy 700 triple black, or they're calling them the Vantas. I don't know what a Vanta is, to be 100% honest with you. They released this morning, and the last Yeezy release had a line of 35 people at 10 p.m. at night. Honestly, hope it's not that bad today. I sort of want a pair, and it's 6:54 in the morning, and I'm just heading over to the store right now. I don't think it's gonna be like that. The 350 glows actually resold. These don't really have any resale value. Oh my goodness, what in the world? There's literally 0 people in line right now. Sick. Okay, the store opens up in 4 hours. I'm gonna go, I don't know where I'm gonna go, except I don't have to stand in line. Nice. So I took the liberty of taking a much needed nap with the extra time I had this morning. I may have taken a little bit too long of a nap though, because it's 9:40 a.m. right now. The store opens up in an hour and 20 minutes. I should be good. I don't think there'll be too long of a line. What in the world? What in the world? This is the greatest day of my life. There's absolutely literally no one in line, and the store opens up in an hour and 20 minutes. Geez, well, since we got so much time to kill, the Raptors won yesterday. Wow, I've been a Raptors fan the entire time, I swear. Look, see, red. Go Raptors. I'm just kidding, I've never been a Raptors fan. It's just wild. They won an NBA Finals game at home, game 1. Craziness. Seriously, I would not be upset if the Raptors won. I think that'd be really amazing. I'm going to be in Toronto, hopefully during some of the games, which it's, as a Canadian, very cool to see. Very cool to see. I don't really know what to do. I mean, I didn't make any plans this morning to do anything, because I thought I was going to be standing in, it's a good problem to have, don't get me wrong. I thought I was going to be standing in line all morning, but yeah, I have absolutely no idea what I'm going to do. What's up, man?
Came in the back of me and turned it off.
Wow. So I'm literally the only person that bought these. There's no line. No one else came in. I mean, when you think about it, it makes sense that people didn't want to buy a pair of shoes that's just all black and costs $452. Okay, let's take a look at these. We're just gonna use the box for my Gucci jetpack as a little bit of a stand here. If you guys didn't see that video, button right there. Watch it. These things, the blackout Vanta Yeezy 700s. I don't know how I feel about them. I mean, it's cool, it's black, but it's literally just black. Like, just, it's one color. They do look sort of fresh. They're just so expensive. I guess what I'm trying to say, let me put it this way. I genuinely do think this is a great pair of shoes. I think the colors, I think the materials, I think especially the model itself is an amazing shoe, and I really, really do like it. What I don't like is the amount of colorways they pump out, and I get it, people are gonna say, Tom, what about Jordan 1s? Yeezy has far surpassed it. There's a new Yeezy every week. There's a new Jordan 1 maybe once every 6 weeks, once every 5 weeks, something like that. There's a new Yeezy almost every single week lately, which is crazy. If they had put these out as one of the first colorways, like first, second colorway of the V2, let's say they put out the Statics, and then they put out these, I think they would have sold a lot better. But now that we're seeing another pair, another pair, another pair, another pair, there's like 3 more pairs slated to release, they stop being special, and people can't afford to buy these on a regular basis. It's stupid. $452 in Canada. Depending what state you live in the States, you're probably looking at $320, $325, $330 after tax. It's crazy. Like, it is a lot of money for this pair of shoes. I think they're dope. Like, I really, really do like these. They need to bring the price down or stop releasing so many colorways, because people can't keep up with them. I'm gonna keep buying them because I want to share them with you guys, and I love doing that, but the price on them is really nuts. I do like them though. As I said, I do like them. Let's see what Eric thinks of them. Eric, I have one question for you.
I have one answer for you.
Have you seen the new Yeezys?
Oh, I hate when you ask me that question. I haven't seen the new Yeezys. Oh. Oh. Which ones are these?
You don't even know which ones came out.
Are they the glow-in-the-dark
There's
ones?
so many Yeezys coming out, he doesn't even know which ones. I don't blame him. There's like a new one every week.
Once every week, Tom asks me if I've seen the new Yeezys.
Okay, it's not that often.
Are these the glow-in-the-dark ones?
No, they're not the glow-in-the-dark ones.
What?
They're the ones that came out today.
I didn't even know
This is my
Yeezys
point,
came out
right?
today. Did Yandi drop too? Oh, I was having a good day. I just changed the pedals on my bike. I was feeling like it was a lot of serenity. And you come in here with some 700s. Alright. I wouldn't wear them. What do you think?
They're not that bad.
So back to the most important question at hand is, what do you guys think about these? The Yeezy 700 V2 Vantas. Are they worth the price? Did you pick them up? Do you think they might even go on sale? I don't think we've ever seen a Yeezy go on sale. The Mauves came pretty close. The Salts came pretty close, but I don't think we've actually seen a Yeezy marked under retail on an online retailer. Maybe locally it's happened to some of you guys, but I don't think we've ever seen it en masse. Judging from what happened in Winnipeg, not a lot of people bought them. I don't know how the stock went online, if they sold out, if they're still available, what the deal is there. I'm honestly not too sure. So I'm very curious to hear if you guys were able to pick them up. I'm pretty sure everyone was able to pick them up, but if you guys chose to pick them up, or if you decided, nah, this isn't worth my time, I'm just gonna pass on these. I completely understand if you did. I mean, there's tons of other dope sneakers coming out this month that are all very, very nice, and there's the Blackout 350s that lots of people are excited about, and if you have the choice between a Blackout 700 and a Blackout 350, the 350 is a lot cheaper and a lot more people care about it, so I completely understand why people would be waiting for those instead of buying these. Me personally, I'm just confused. I don't know how to feel about them. I love the shoe by itself, but just the amount of colorways they're putting out, I say this every Yeezy release now, like it's become very repetitive for me. Making a video about, yay, another pair of Yeezys, it's repetitive. The shoe is sick by itself, but seeing so many colorways of them pumped out week after week after week just makes me not very excited about the Yeezy line in general. I got excited for a bit. It seemed like they were making more limited product. It was going to be fun again to get Yeezys, and they've gone right back into where they were last year. I don't know, guys. I really don't know. Let me know your final thoughts down in the comment section below. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. I'm gonna leave you right here with some detailed shots of these. So make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, follow me on social media at Tom Stefaniak, and until next time, peace.